In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get ExpressVPN promo code. So let's get started. So let's say there's something banned in your country and you want to access it. That's when you can use a VPN and you can easily access it. So let's say Roblox is banned in my country. I can easily download a VPN. So let's say in this case ExpressVPN, and then if I connect it to some other country's VPN, then I can easily open Roblox without any problem. So that's the use of VPN. So let's get started on how you can get a discount by using a promo code for ExpressVPN. So first of all, you're gonna go to Google and search up ExpressVPN promo code. So once you're here, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website CNET coupons. So I'm gonna click on it, and then you're gonna see a lot of stuff. So as you guys can see, that's the logo of ExpressVPN right there, and then you're gonna see many offers. So let's say this one, ExpressVPN best deal of season, 49% off with 3 months free with annual subscription. So now you might be wondering, how can I claim this? Well, you don't need any code for this, so you just click show deal. So if I click that, it says that there is no coupon code necessary, you can continue to the offer. So as this is provided by the company itself, you won't need any code for it, so you can just continue to the offer and get a 49% off free. Well, let's say you're looking for a code, so I'm just gonna scroll down. So here you go, 30 days free with a friend referral at ExpressVPN. So if you use this code, this one is in the site as well, because you have to refer a friend from the site, so that's where the code will be displayed. Now I'm gonna close and show you another example. I'm gonna scroll down there, extra 30% off at ExpressVPN, so show coupon, and that's the coupon to get a 30% off while purchasing ExpressVPN. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.